Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing. And this unboxing includes the Shark IQ robot. And this robot here is supposed to be the hottest one out. It's up for debate. I know Roomba iRobot have one out and it does pretty much the same thing. You know, they said that Shark stole Roomba idea, but I don't know. But I wanted to go with this Shark IQ. I have a Roomba i65 that I just got, and I'll be doing an unboxing on it also. But today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on the Shark IQ robot. And this robot here is Wi-Fi voice enabled through Alexa and Google Assistant, of course. And what's so special about this robot is after it the dock bin fills up, it'll go back to this dock and empty itself. So you don't have to worry about trying to, you know, take it out and empty it and all of that. It empties itself. It says up to a month, so it's not too accurate on a month. Whenever your floor gets so dirty that it fills up the bin, you'll have to empty it out. Whether it's a month or 3 weeks, it don't matter. But they advertise a month, but we all know that difference. Okay, and they have the rollers on it that it's supposed to keep dirt, sweep up the dirt on hardwood and carpet, and keep pet hair and stuff from getting rolled up around it. So that's a pretty good idea, pretty good thing to have. Direct hair and debris to the center of the brush roll, keep it from getting tangled up. That's what I'm trying to say. So bear with me, guys, and we finna get into it. So yeah, as I open the box, using one hand, turn the box around. Pretty fancy box. This robot, I bought it from Shark itself, from the manufacturer. And it retailed at $625. Okay, when you open the box, of course, you get the Shark IQ Quick Start Guide. And lay that to the side. And you get what I'm thinking is the dock mat. This is the dock mat. This is where it sits down on the floor and the vacuum rolls up on. It's made of plastic, pretty flimsy, but kind of built pretty sturdy plastic. That's packing. And here's the Shark itself. And I like this robot, guys, just like all the rest of them. You can name them. So when you're talking to your Google Assistant or your Alexa, you can name it. And it's pretty cool because the assistant will call the name that you named it if it's something pretty simple. So I like that about it also. So yeah, it's not too heavy. If you've seen the other vacuum that I did on the Bissell, it feels about the same weight of the Bissell. About the same. Actually, the Bissell feels a little heavier than this. So yeah, it has a camera on the top, clean button, and the dock button, just like all the rest of them. And this is the bottom side. These are the bristles and brushes. And this is the battery right here. You don't never have to take it off unless something goes bad with the battery or something like that. So normally it would be a bin here, a dust bin, what you take out, but thanks to technology, they did away with the bin and it sucks itself up, cleans itself out. So that's pretty cool. Sensors on the back, on the top. It's supposed to have sensors all the way around. That's a sensor. This is a sensor all the way around the front. And seems like it built pretty good. I don't have any complaints so far. These are the brushes that goes on the front. Excuse me, guys. Stick these on. I don't know if you use a Phillip head or maybe they just stick on. And this is your self-emptying bin. This thing here is, I'm gonna say it stands about maybe 3 feet, 2 feet off the floor. And it's of course made out of plastic. Pretty sturdy plastic. Don't have any gripes about it. Also, your cord where you plug it in goes here in the back. It goes in the back, and this is your cord. Your basic 110 two prong. I'm sorry. 2-prong plug goes in your basic wall outlet. So yeah, I bought this straight from Shark, as I said, guys, and it retails about $625, and I hope to see how good this thing really is. It got a lot of hype around it, so I guess I'll be seeing what it's about. And if anybody have any questions, I mean, please do so. Please ask me any questions you want about it. I'll definitely be trying it out. So I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I'm just regular guy buying products and unboxing it for you guys. So if you have any questions about any of my videos, please send me any questions. I answer them. So yeah, that's it, guys, and I appreciate you watching, and please stick with me. I'm gonna be bringing more videos, more content. All right, thank you. Have a blessed day.